Okay, let's use synthetic division to divide polynomials. We're going to divide this polynomial by this binomial. The numerator is the dividend and the denominator is the divisor. So we're going to set the divisor equal to 0 and solve for x. Okay, then we're going to take what x equals and put it in a box. Once we have that, we're going to set up our coefficients of the dividend right next to the number that's in the box. So we're going to have -2, and this was supposed to be a plus. Then we're going to have a 0 for a placeholder for the x cubed term. Then we're going to have +20. Then we're going to have another 0 as a placeholder for the x to the first power. Remember, we're going right down the line. We're in standard form here. 4, 3, 2, 1, x to the 0. So then we have our constant, -23. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to draw a line, draw an arrow under the first coefficient, draw a plus sign, drop the first coefficient, that's what the arrow tells us to do. We're going to multiply whatever's below the line by what's in the box. So -2 times 3 excuse me, is -6. 0 plus -6 is -6. We're going to multiply -6 times 3 is -18. We're going to add 20 plus a -18 is the same thing as saying 20 minus 18 is 2. 2 times 3 is 6. 0 plus 6 is 6. 6 times 3 is 18. -23 plus 18 is -5. And what I like to do is put this last term in a box too, because this is going to be our remainder. If this was 0, we'd have no remainder. If it's a -5, that's going to be the remainder. So now we just have to put this in kind of answer form. So what we're going to do is always start 1 degree less than whatever our dividend was. So if this is x to the 4th, we're going to start at x cubed. So -2 x cubed, and we're going to go right down the line. -6x squared plus 2 x to the first power plus 6 plus whatever our remainder is, -5 over whatever our original divisor was, x minus 3. And this is the quotient to our division problem.